Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn off context suggestion when sharing on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. So you can see in my share window here, when I try to share, it shows context suggestion. So we're going to switch this off. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down, then in here, tap on advanced features. After that, we scroll down, then tap on show context when sharing content. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off. After that, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now try to share something, so I'm going to try to share this picture. And you can see in my share window, this time it does not suggest context for me to select. And that is how you can turn off context suggestion when sharing content on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.